We're seeing plenty of changes for individuals in the past few days as income tax cuts begin to drop in bank accounts. Plus, JobSeeker is extended and now JobMaker has passed federal Parliament. Let's see what it means for you with our finance expert, Michelle Maynard. Hi, Michelle.
Afternoon, Lee.
JobMaker passed Parliament last night. What does it mean?
So JobMaker is meant to boost the employment prospects of 16 to 35-year-olds, and the government says it's going to support around 450,000 jobs. So what it is, it's a wage subsidy paid to employers who hire 16 to 35-year-olds. So if the employer is new with them from the 7th of October, works more than 20 hours per week and doesn't get this payment from somewhere else, the employer is going to get $200 per week if they are 16 to 29 and $100 per week if they are 30 to 35. Now, this is paid in arrears, so the employers won't actually get the payment until February 2021, but it's basically trying to encourage them to hire younger people. Now, they can't decrease their headcount and then hire someone, so they're trying to stop employers firing someone to get this, but there is a real fear that this is an ageist type payment and it's going to persuade employers to not hire those older workers. The Morrison government says it's the younger workers who have been most hit by COVID and therefore the program is justified.
Yeah, a lot of people worried about it though. Now, our pay packet should start to increase a little from this week. Will everyone see some money in their pay, and what is the government wanting to achieve with these cuts?
Yeah, so the average Australian should see around $20 per week more in their pay packet this week, with some receiving up to about $47 more per week. Now, this is the tax cut that was announced in the October budget, which has been backdated to 1 July. So while it's nice we're going to get a little bit more in our take-home pay now, the real bonus is going to be come June when we lodge our tax return for this year. Because it was backdated and we haven't received it from from July through to November, we're all going to get a nice little boost in our tax returns when we lodge those. Now, what the government is hoping is we're going to go and spend this money. With Christmas coming up, it's a fantastic time to hit retail, but also don't forget your local businesses, hospitality and the like. They really need our support at the moment.
Okay, and just quickly, JobSeeker's been extended, but it's going to look a little different.
It is. It's extended through to the 31st of March, which brings it in line with the JobKeeper payment. It is reducing from $250 per fortnight down to $150 post-January, and that's going to support around 1.4 million Australians at a cost of $3.2 billion. Now, some are saying it should be extended past March and not revert back to the $40 per day JobSeeker payment. The government isn't committing to that at this stage. What they're saying is they will commit to the payment through to the end of March at $150 per fortnight, and they will reassess at the end of March.
It is a lot to keep track of, Michelle. Thank you for breaking it down for us. We'll see you next time.